What's up, guys? This is my 2012 Harley Davidson Sportster 48. Today we're going to be doing an oil change. Let's get it. Here's all the things you'll need for this job. About 4 quarts of 20W50 motorcycle oil, a chrome oil filter for 20 extra horsepower, a skinny funnel, some paper towels, a 3/8 drive ratcheting wrench with an extension and a 16 and 17 millimeter socket, a screwdriver with a T27 Torx bit and a flathead, small piece of 2x4, and lastly, an oil pan. First things first, let's prop the bike up. Place jack stand under the foot peg just to ensure the bike does not tip over. Place oil pan under the bike. First, we're going to remove the engine drain plug. 3, 2, 1. There she goes. Nice and dirty, just how we like it. Next, we're going to remove the primary drain plug. Next, take your T27, loosen all derby cover bolts. Don't let the cover fall. Don't rip your gasket. Now we're going to remove our oil filter, but make sure you stuff an old crusty rag in there to prevent oil from spilling all over your bike. Grab another couple crusty rags, quick. Just pull this rag out, wipe up the surface a little bit. Looks good to me. Take our new oil filter, lube up the ring. Hand tight without oily hands is good. Let's clean off the drain plugs and then reinstall them. Make sure you got no metal in the threads. Finally, we're going to reinstall the primary drain plug. Hand tight is fine for now. Crank this down. Finally, let's add 1 quart to the primary. Once you've put your quart in, you'll see your disc. As long as your fluid's touching the bottom of the disc, you're good to go. Let's reinstall the gasket and then the derby cover. Now we're just going to do a star pattern just to ensure the gasket seals properly. Now we're going to add a little bit of oil so we can ensure that there's no air in the system when we put back in the engine drain plug. Just a little bit will be fine. Once you see it start coming down, you plug it up. Just like that. Get your plug back in there, and that's it. Now we're going to add about 2.5 quarts of oil into the oil tank. Now that we put about 2.5 quarts in, we're going to start the bike up, let it warm up just a little bit to make sure the oil level is good. Now that we warmed up the bike, got the oil cycled through, we can check it. Gonna wipe it off the first time. Stick it in there. Twist. Twist back. Check your level. We're in the safe mark. That concludes everything. Hope you enjoy your ride.